Does the area that you're buying your new home in require inspections? Hi, I'm Susan. We often talk about building inspections, things that the buyers perform when purchasing a home. But in many areas that people are purchasing, selling their homes in, there are municipal inspections or county inspections that are required. So they're required to transfer ownership. Typically, the seller sets these up through the municipality, through the city, through the area in which requires them. Oftentimes, there are fees included in this. And this inspection's different than your building inspection. In fact, if you're purchasing a home as is, you still need to perform the municipal inspections for occupancy. So the municipal inspections, driven by what the city guidelines are, they will hire inspectors that they have on their staff that have knowledge of building codes, all of the different features that are required within that area to be checked. So they'll bring out a sheet, they'll go through the house, they look at GFCI, smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, heavy on the construction of decks, porches, to make sure those are safe, plus a full list of other minor and a few major things that they're checking for. They give you time to create a plan of repair, and then they'll come back and do a re-inspection and give you a clear to close within their city. So these are different. Remember, there are inspections that are optional when a buyer's buying a home, but in some areas they are required. If you have any questions, always you can reach out to us direct or take a look at the city in which you live in to see how it's governed by municipal inspections.